Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the self-cleaning cat litter box by Meowant. Inside this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox this litter box, and by the end of the video, you're going to know whether or not I would recommend this litter box. First things first, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. When we first open up the box, we are greeted with this kitty litter mat, a quick start guide, and the detailed user manual, as well as the power adapter. After removing the kitty litter pad, we are greeted with the unit itself. So let's go ahead and unbox this and talk about it. Inside of the box, we have tons of different accessories that come with the Meowant self-cleaning litter box. So those are going to be the power adapter. We have two of these little cat-shaped fragrance gels. Then we also have some litter trash bags here and a litter collector mat. This sits in front of the cat box, so when your cat exits, it's going to collect all the different litter, and you can easily dump this out into the trash can. And of course, we have the robot litter box itself with sensors here on the front, so it can tell when your cat is entering and exiting, so it will automatically clean when the cat is not near the litter box. We have one button here, and we have a couple of different things you can do with it. We have press once for the clean cycle, we have press twice to empty all the litter, and we have hold for 10 seconds to set up the Wi-Fi. Over here in the back, this is going to be the litter and dump station back here. This is where you can put your deodorizer, and if we lift this lid up, you can set the trash bags in here to collect all the waste. And then above the waste station, we're going to have a couple of UV lights that are going to automatically sanitize and deodorize the litter. Inside of the litter box here, this is going to be a rubber-like material, which is going to be great for holding that litter in place so it doesn't dump into the back waste station when you're running the litter box. To set up this litter box by Meowant, what you have to do is make sure it's not touching any walls in the area that you're setting it up, and also having a flat surface helps a lot. After I found its location, I went ahead and set up the litter mat right underneath the litter box. I then went ahead and removed the waste bin from the back so that I could install a trash bag for the litter inside the waste bin. It was really simple to do that. It snapped right into place, and after that, I took one of the deodorizers and set it in the little deodorizing compartment. I took some litter and I dumped it into the cat litter box, making sure not to overflow it past the max line. All that was left from there was to just plug it in on the side of the unit, give it some power, and then hold the button down for 10 seconds in the front just so that it could connect to the app. As far as the app goes, it had so many different options to customize, clean, sanitize, or dump the litter within the litter box. It was really easy to set up. I had it connected to the app in less than a minute, and I was really impressed how everything was so easy. Then I let our cats smell it and get used to it, and since then they've been using it every single day, and we honestly love this thing. I was sent this to review inside this video, and after my initial testing and review and the past few days that our cats have been using it, I really do like it. It has a lot of different features inside of the app. I love how everything is ran by one button on the front, and it's really easy to clean. All you have to do is remove the waste bin and take the trash bag out and switch out the trash bags and periodically add some more litter. I would recommend this litter box to anybody who wants an easier job of taking care of their cat's litter, and this does make it a whole lot easier. It's big enough for cats to fit in easily, and the sensor works really great on the outside. It turns red and stops moving whenever it notices motion. So if you're looking for a self-cleaning litter box that has great app connectivity and just works, I would recommend this one from Meowant. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. If you're interested in more product reviews and product comparisons, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. My name's David, and I will see you guys when I release my next video.